Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to look at syllables. Okay, syllables is a part of phonetics. Let's try to understand what is a syllable. Do you know, have you heard about this? And do you have any idea about it? Let's see if you don't know about the syllables. What is a syllable? So first I'll try to make you understand what is a syllable, then how to mark the syllable, how to divide the syllable, and we're also going to see syllabic consonants. Right. So first thing, what is a syllable? What is syllable? How do you understand this? Let's see. The unit that is next in hierarchy to speech sound is the syllable. So actually speech sounds are phonemes, individual sounds like pa, ba, ta, ka, etc. They are the smallest in hierarchy. That means they are the first ones in hierarchy. But next to this, so just bigger than this speech sound is the syllable. Then how do you understand this syllable? Syllable is the next higher unit than the phoneme. For example, see, so ma, n, ma, n, and na, there are three sounds. So these individual sounds put together, and these three individual sounds are made up one syllable. Okay, that's why syllable is the next higher unit than the phoneme. So there will be one sound, two sounds, or three sounds, four sounds, five sounds, etc. So depending on the word, but this is the next to the speech sound. Okay, so a word consists of one or more than one syllable. A word consists of one or more than one syllable. So one word may have one syllable or more than one syllable also. That means there will be one syllable in a word, two syllables, three syllables, four syllables, five syllables, etc. Let's see here. Rat has one syllable. Rat has a one syllable. That's called a monosyllabic word. Redeem, redeem. It's a two syllable. That means a disyllabic word. Humanist. So there are three syllables. So that means trisyllable. So there are monosyllabic words and disyllabic words, trisyllabic words. There are polysyllabic words. That means more than 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Okay, and the next thing, count and mark the syllable. How do you count and mark the syllable? See, syllable is marked with a hyphen. For example, see, Taylor, cucumber, phonetics, so on. See, so there are some syllables in these words. There are words like a cat, catch, car, boar, beard, batch, casting, and categorical and beginning. So how do you mark them? How many syllables are there? For example, see, cat, one syllable, cat, one syllable, boar, one syllable, okay, one syllable, catch, one syllable, beard, one syllable, right? So car, one syllable, batch, one syllable. So how do you understand this? So based on the vowels, we can simply say that based on the vowels we can divide syllables. So this is 99% true, but sometimes you can't divide them based on the vowel sounds. Next thing, bargain, bargain, there are two syllables, and casting, two syllables. So next word, see, so categorical, categorical, five syllables. There are five syllables. Next thing, begin, beginning. So there are three syllables in beginning. Okay. So cat, one syllable, catch, one syllable, car also has one syllable. But when you look at these last two words, categorical has 5 syllables, and beginning has 3 syllables. Okay, so how do you count and how do you understand how many syllables are there, how do you divide it? So based generally based on the vowels. So sometimes it may be different, but that also we'll see. So next thing, components of a syllable. What is there in a syllable? So syllable has two things, onset and rhyme. So onset rhyme means, so when there is a word, for example, see cat, this is a syllable, cat. Cat has a three sounds. This vowel sound is called nucleus. This is the most important. So without nucleus you can't have a syllable. So first syllable, there is a first syllable ka, this is a beginning syllable, and there is a ta. The what is this? The closing syllable, the closing sound, beginning sound and last sound. So see here, the beginning sound is called onset or releasing consonant, or the last sound is called arresting consonant. So this rhyme has a nucleus and coda. You can understand this. The nucleus is central obligatory element of a syllable, and the releasing and arresting consonants are optional marginal elements. So what does it mean? So without this onset and rhyme, you may have a syllable, but most important and obligatory element is vowel sound. So that we need to remember. So next thing, CVC structure. So structure, we will understand the syllable structure. CVC means consonant, C stands for consonant, V stands for vowel, C here vowel. So the nucleus of a syllable is vowel, symbolized as a V, and the marginal elements are consonants. So there may be syllables like this. So there will be only vowels, only vowel, or vowel consonant, consonant vowel, consonant vowel and consonant, consonant consonant vowel consonant. So three consonants here, vowel and consonants. So total there are 4 consonants, 1 vowel only. So combination can be consonant vowel consonant consonant, consonant vowel consonant consonants. So there may be a combination like this. English allows to 3 consonants to begin a syllable and up to 4 consonants to end a syllable. So what does it mean? So in the beginning you may have 3 consonants. At the end you may have 4 consonants in a syllable. Next, types of syllables. So that we looked at structure. So only one vowel sound here, one vowel sound I, and vowel and consonant all. Okay, vowel and consonant all, and consonant vowel consonant girl, and consonant 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 vowel straw, and see here, so sprained, 3 consonants in the beginning, 2 consonants at the end. Next thing, tempts, 1 consonant vowel, 4 consonants at the end. Consonant clusters. What does it mean? Consonant clusters. Sequence of syllables at the beginning or end of the syllable are called consonant clusters. Let's see. Thus, st and n in stand are consonants. So clusters, while ma and ba in a member is not because ma is the arresting consonant first syllable and ba is the releasing consonant second syllable. So ma and ba are abutting consonants. So what is abutting consonant? See, Consonants which occur together in a word but form part of two different syllables is called averting. So that means see number, see here ma and ba. So these are in two different syllables. So ma and ba, there are two different syllables. So these are called abutting consonants. So next thing, closed consonants and open consonants. Syllables that ends in a consonant is called closed syllable, and one that ends in a vowel is an open syllable. For example, bad. In bad, good, closed syllable, closed. She too, open syllable. That means these are ending with vowels, and good and closed are ending with consonants. Next, syllabic consonants, let's try to understand. There are some syllables in which the nucleus is a consonant, such as na, la, ma. So these are called syllabic consonant. Na, la and ma. Nucleus of some syllables are occupied by certain consonants which function like vowels. These ma, la, ma, these sounds work, so they work like a vowel sound. So that's why see button, button. So button, ba, ba, tin. So here, see here, there is a vowel, there is no vowel sound, but this is a syllable. So the syllables which form like this are called syllabic consonants. Bottle, bottle, bottle. So here no vowel sound, but this is a syllable, till, right? So rhythm, so rhythm, da and ma. So here no vowel, but there is a syllable. It is formed as a syllable. So this is called consonant cluster, syllabic consonant. Thank you guys. So in this video we are able to understand what is a syllable, how to count and how to divide, and consonant clusters and syllabic consonants. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.